Morning guys, we're just out on a walk this morning with my dad. Natalie's not with me. We're just heading up the Pappert Well. We're not actually on the path yet, this is it just at the beginning. There's a wee waterfall over here in the distance. We'll see if we can get a wee close up. Here's just a wee view of the waterfall. Just heading back down to where we came from.
Come up there, and then come up that bit, climb up that bit, line there, and then up there.
Right, so you used to climb all the way up here and play as a kid?
Aye.
Yous are crazy.
50 odd years ago, aye. This was our playground.
There you go guys, my dad used to climb up this when he was a kid. Looks like some poor wee kid's just lost his bike. Look at that, terrible. So just at the top of the waterfall here, they're trying to keep people out, right? So look at the fence, goes all the way along here. And then, massive gap. What's that fence going to do? So, my dad was just telling me about these pipes here. And the dare was to walk over this big one here when he was younger. Are you going to try it?
No.
A wee playground just here at the right. It looks like a prison playground, doesn't it? I don't know if I'd want to go in there and shoot some hoops. Oh, you watch yourself. So it's just crossed over there, and here's just a wee look back at the waterfall on the way down. It's a beautiful morning this morning. Look at the hills over there. Just thought I would show you a wee shot looking back to the house. So that's literally just the house down here. And if you see well in the distance here, is Ben Lomond. Looks cracking a day. Look at this cracking wee opening here with a tree, and then just there in the distance is where we're heading. So that's us just come out of the woods there. We're now into the big open field, and today looks really nice. We get the sun coming up over here in the distance, and we're just going to keep going up. Just over here to the left, there's a forest that we've just come out of. So just at the end of this wee walk that we're on, we're just heading into Pappert Forest here through the gate.
Known as the second gate.
And if you didn't hear that, my dad said known as the second gate.
This is where we used to come for picnic. Just right over here. In the summertime, we used to bring up bottles of McDougall's Iron Brew and Sanja Cola and any kind of breed, jam or something like that. Any cakes.
So basically, my dad's dad used to just kick him out and tell him, beat it, go and have your lunch up the hills, because you're not having it with me. We're just going to take you down here, follow the wee stream, see where it leads to. I think there's like a gorge just here. That's pretty cool, isn't it? And that obviously just goes away down and follows onto the waterfall. And we're just going to keep on heading up here. So look how amazing the forest looks in the distance there. And as you can see, my dad just running away from me because obviously I'm filming and he's wanting to go walking. Look at this poor wee tree. He's got no pals, he's just out here all by himself. Check all the Christmas trees there just in front of us. And then we're heading, just where my dad is there in front of us, up here into this forest. We're going to go round it and we're going to come down this side here. How creepy is this wee bit here, just going into the forest. Look at it, it's just overgrown. It's just taking us in.
This time I went round there in the long arc, but there's deep muddy bits.
So we're just going to go this way, straight on?
Aye, that's because it's not been raining for a wee while.
Okay.
Yeah, this doesn't look too bad. Okay, I think we'll make it. I think we'll go alright. Just keep out of that puddle there.
Just thought I'd show you the wee forest just here that we're walking through. How cool is that with the sun breaking it? And then just look at, I'm not too sure what these are, but they're very cool.
See, they're a big dog. Or a wee deer.
So we've got something up here, but we're not too sure what it is. Could either be a dog or a deer, or it could be a werewolf. Imagine there was a werewolf up here today.
It's not a full moon.
Nah?
No.
What if like something jumped out and got us?
Well, it'll get you because you're filming, I'm running.
Alright, so that's it. You heard it, guys. I'm done. We're just coming out of the forest and look at this. That is brilliant, isn't it? I've not seen anything like this in a long time. It's amazing. And we've got something in the distance over there. We don't know what it is. It's like, my dad thinks a capercaillie or something like that. How amazing that is that, guys? And just looking into the forest. This is where all the werewolves and all that live.
No, that's when Natalie's imagination lives.
Oh aye, definitely. Natalie, you'd love it up here. All the crazies live in there. So just as the forest opens up here, in the distance, we have Dumbarton Castle. How cool does that look? We're just heading back into the Christmas trees. Everybody be on the lookout for a werewolf, I'm telling you. There's definitely something up here. Look at this, guys. It's like we're getting a cuddle off of the trees. This is brilliant. Goes from light to... feels quite dark and cosy. But I'm telling you, something's going to jump out these trees. Definitely. You be careful. Just a wee look back from where we came. So there's just a wee forest, and a lonely tree just there that we passed. This is beautiful here today. So we're just
Port Glasgow anyway.
what, in the background there?
Oh, that's PG Tips. That's Port Glasgow.
So this is us just, again. So we're just at the top here, and if you look over here, that's Port Glasgow, and there's a reservoir over there. The hill's just here in front of us.
Carman.
That's Carman Hill. The wee bit here is where I stay, and my dad's is just in front of that. And then we've got the Luss Hills just right here in front of us.
And Ben.
And then Ben Lomond right here, which today looks amazing, just at the top of this forest. Just at the trig point here, if you look at all the forest, we're actually right in the middle of it. It's amazing. Looks like something, like a transformer or something landed here and just like sort of destroyed all the trees. That's amazing looking, isn't it? So cool. Alright guys, so that's us now at the top of the Pappert Well, and it's quite a good walk. How long did it take us?
89 minutes.
89 minutes. How many miles is it?
And it's 3.5.
3.5 miles. Cracking day for it, and I think maybe next time my dad will leave me at home because I think he's getting annoyed with me filming and taking too many photos, eh?
Can never take too many photos.
Right guys, that's great. See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye.